temperature of 62 Saturday night. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 61 at Pittsburgh and 67 at Chicago. And 70 was cloudy with a 40% temperature of central and persistent sunny with a temperature of 60 extended 4 hours. Cloudy with a 50% showers with a temperature of 60 degrees and lower down to 65 at Sunday night. Mostly cloudy with a 40% showers in the lower 70s. Those in the lower 60s, 40% in the morning. Mostly cloudy. Marine forecast. The following marine locations mostly cloudy in the mid-70s. Scattered showers after north rain 70% lower 70, upper 70s. Areas of smoke with rain 40%. Waves 1 to 3 Sunday. Mostly cloudy. North winds 15 to 20 knots. Diminishing to 10 to 15 knots. Receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 10 a.m., weather reports for selected cities at